Hi guys, I just wanted to do a little unboxing today. What's today? Today is Wednesday or Tuesday? Today is Tuesday, you guys. But I ordered some things off of Temu and I wanted to show you guys. I'm trying to fix this camera. So I hope you guys can see me good. But anyway, let's see. Okay, I think you can see me good. Okay, so we're gonna just go ahead and unbox. It's not a box, but we're gonna unbox this together so I can show you some of the things that I ordered. Okay, you guys. Okay. Because at first I was caught off guard. I'm like, what is this? But anyway, this is made out of the knit fabric. I thought this was so cute. And this is the top. And it looks like since you can see through it, I probably would have to put like something up under it. And possibly wear some boy shorts with the skirt. But I thought this was so cute. It is so cute. And it's different. So I try to go with a different color. But this is the skirt. The skirt is going to be really short. And the top. So I thought this was really cute. And I might need to try it on because the top look kind of big, you guys. But I ordered me some jewelry. I'm going to show you guys. I ordered some jewelry. I thought this was so cute. So cute. These are the earrings that I ordered in gold. And I also ordered them in silver. So, well, this is the silver necklace. Let me just put it together. So, let's see. So you guys can get the full effect. I'm going to show you the gold stuff first. And then we'll get to the silver. But here's the gold. Oh, this is so cute. The gold necklace. Got the starfish. You see the seashell. Ooh. I'm going to have to pick that up. But this is adorable. So I will be wearing this on vacation. And then I kind of got the gold matching earrings, you guys. So I thought that was so cute. Hold up 1 second, I dropped something. So I don't know if this is just an extra part of the necklace that I could add on to make it. Oh, okay. It must have came loose. I have to figure that out. But I thought this was adorable, you guys. That is so pretty. So I got that to wear with the earrings. I'm going to show you guys the silver set that I also bought. Similar fashion, just a different color. Have any of you guys went on vacation yet? Put it down in the comments where you went. Do you like to travel? I want to know that. So let's go to the silver. OMG. I might have to send this back. Silver is my favorite color, you guys, but one of the portions of the earring is missing. So I may have to send this back. Oh no. I thought this was so cute. And then I bought a necklace to go along with it. Thought that was so cute. So that's what it is. In the gold chain necklace that I showed you guys, that piece supposed to hang. Evidently, it came loose in the package, so I will have to put that back together. So that's where the extra piece come in. But I am so disappointed in these earrings, you guys. They are so pretty. Oh. OMG. I don't know what to do. I'm sad about that. But we'll figure it out. We always do. But other than that, the necklace, the silver, and the gold was just so cute. I also purchased these little flowers. I got them in different colors. And because I'm going to an island, I just thought, even though I'm not going to Hawaii, because that's where I will wear this, I just thought this was so cute to go with some of the outfits that I'll be wearing. And it kind of clips. So I thought that would be cute. Put my hair in a style, pin it up, or whatever. I just thought that was adorable. So it came in this white and yellow, this purple and white. It also has a red one, a pink and white, a peach-like and white, this yellow and white, turquoise and yellow, lime green and yellow. So I thought this was so cute. And another peach-like in a darker pink, or a light pink and a peach. So I'm going to take these with me and try to create some styles to fit some of the tropical outfits that I will be wearing. So I thought that was cute. Moving on. I'm so disappointed, you guys, about the earrings. And you know, I like gold, but silver is my thing, and it's my jam, as they would say. The next item that I purchased is this pretty skirt. It's a two-piece. You see the floor, the flower on the front of the skirt? All the way up, it's a orange and a dark reddish, pinkish color. I thought that was so cute, and it'll go great with one of those flowers to go in your hair. And it comes with this cute little bantu top. I thought it was so tropical and so pretty. And of course, those colors look great on my skin, you guys. Let's see. Last but not least, I bought another one. Now this one is a black with the print on it. And what I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to try it on for you and let you guys see it. See the few outfits that I purchased. But the skirt is just gorgeous. So, I'm going to show you this. Give me a second. And I'm going to try the outfits on and I'll be back. Before I try the outfits on, I did not see this, but I want to show you guys that I did buy similar flowers in a larger. They're much larger than the smaller ones I showed you before, but these are really big. I thought they were really cute, but these are really big. I like these better than I do the smaller ones. And they're not as flimsy as the smaller ones. So you can kind of mold them to your head or whatever, however you would like. But I thought they was cute. Let me put one on. Oh, that's very cute. So, this came in turquoise, pink, orange, red, and yellow, you guys. So I think I like these better. I think the smaller ones will be good if I pin my hair up in the back and or have a braid or something and just put those in there. But these bigger ones are so cute. I really like the bigger ones or the larger ones. I like these a little better than the small ones. So, give me a second. I'm going to change and we're going to get into these outfits. Okay, guys. I'm in the restroom. Excuse me. But this is the first outfit that I showed you guys. Now, the top, I got this set from Temu. So I would have to wear like a half a bra with this. I would suggest that because the top, if you have small breasts like I do, that you may want to downsize the top. The skirt is fine, but other than that, it's a cute ensemble, you guys. And I'm going to tilt the camera so you guys can get a full view of the skirt. Okay. Back up, but this is the skirt. I thought it was so cute. And it's see-through, of course. So I probably will wear some boy shorts up under the skirt. But it's very thin, lightweight. I like the little ruffles at the bottom. So I'm definitely going to take this one on vacation. So here's the ensemble together. This is what it's looking like, you guys. So tell me what you think in the comments below. And I will be putting on the next outfit. Okay, guys. This is the second outfit. I really like this one. So let me show you. This is the top. It's a Bantu top. And it has a long skirt, comes down to my ankle. I could have sized down. I got this in a large. Also got this from Temu. I could have sized down because of the boob area, the breast area, and the skirt. But other than that, I think it's adorable and it fits really, really nice. So I'm going to pan down and let you guys see the remainder of the outfit. So this is it, you guys. Woo, woo, woo. I'm loving it. My husband said let me show you a little bit further down if I can. But The flower goes all the way down to the ankle. It is so adorable. It's lightweight, it's very stretchy. I'm definitely gonna take this one on vacation. Now I'm gonna pull the video up just a tad so you kind of see the whole ensemble. I thought this was very cute. So this is how it looks in the back. Definitely giving body. So tell me what you think in the comments below. And I'm going to try on the third and final outfit that came today. Stay tuned. I decided to add the flower with the outfit, you guys. I hope you can see it. But it is so cute with the flower. OMG. So, tell me what you think. The flower really sets the outfit apart. So I'm going to pin down just a little bit more and see if we can capture the portion of the whole outfit with the flower. Yes, I think this will be adorable. This will work. Okay, guys. Now, this is an orange, reddish, purple one that I thought was cute as well. I also paired it with the reddish like orange like flower to go with the flowers at the bottom of the skirt, which I'm gonna pan down and let you guys see. Just look at that color in this skirt, you guys. I thought this was so cute. So this is another outfit from Temu. So it's kind of shaking a little bit, but I'm hoping that I can show you the full effect with the flower in my hair. I'm trying to move the camera up. There. Let's see. Yes. And you can't really get the full effect unless you see the bottom. But I will insert some pictures below. But I thought this was just adorable. So that's it for the try on haul with the outfits, you guys. I will insert some pictures. And until next time, bye guys.